Garmin may have accidentally confirmed the existence of the highly anticipated Venu 4. The name surfaced in the Japanese version of the Garmin Golf app description, marking the first official breadcrumb from the company itself. First glimpse, Venu 4. Mentioned by Garmin, spotted by Garmin rumors, this subtle reference is more than just a typo. It's a classic pre-launch signal. While not a formal announcement, it strongly suggests that the Venu 4 is on its way. Release timeline. Does August 2025 make sense? Looking at Garmin's release cadence, Venu 2019, Venu 2 2021, Venu 2 Plus 2022, Venu 3, August 2023. Following this rhythm, an August 2025 launch for the Venu 4 seems highly plausible. With IFA Berlin just around the corner, Garmin could be timing the reveal to coincide with the Tech Expo. Is Venu X1 versus Venu 4. Is there room for both? Some speculate that the recently launched Venu X1 might replace the Venu 4, but that seems unlikely. The X1 sports a square design and feels more like a design experiment than a flagship successor. Garmin has been diversifying its lineup, and the Venu 4 is expected to retain the classic round AMOLED look, staying true to its smartwatch roots. Venu 4. Wishlist. Features we'd love to see. Here's what fans and fitness enthusiasts are hoping for: full-color built-in maps, currently reserved for premium models. Even a lightweight mapping feature would elevate the Venu 4's lifestyle fitness hybrid appeal. Advanced performance metrics, training load, training status, and other pro-level insights are missing from the Venu 3. The sensors are capable. It's time Garmin unlocked them. Premium build quality. A metal case would better match the Venu's price tag and positioning. Plus, a brighter, more responsive AMOLED screen would be a welcome upgrade. Next-gen sensors. Will we see the Elevate 6 sensor? Maybe even glucose or hydration tracking? Garmin's recent patents suggest exciting possibilities. Improved battery life. The Venu 3 already performs well, but any boost without added bulk would be a win. LED flashlight, a surprisingly useful feature that's missing from the Venu line. Time to bring it in. Optional LTE connectivity. Perfect for users who want standalone functionality. Just make sure it's optional. Pricing concerns. Will it stay reasonable? Garmin's pricing has been climbing. The Venu X1 starts at a steep $800, raising concerns about the Venu 4's affordability. If Garmin can hold the line, or offer multiple variants, it could win over both loyal fans and new buyers.